So we did 2 plays, but this is the follow-up to will Apple dump on earnings? I highly doubt it, but it is now 4:22. In 8 minutes they will have the earnings call. Okay, here we go. I expected to lose this trade because my big bets are really right here on Amazon. And we are looking to moon up $9.59. I will upload that video as we speak. Hold on, Apple's reporting their results. They are having a blowout. Hold on. No, not really. $1.42. But at 50x, that's enough to have made you rich. That is enough to wipe out this small trade. My whole risk level was $500. But it was worth the shot. And you know what? They might have had good earnings, but we don't know yet. If they don't exceed expectations, you just
At that point, there can be an overreaction on the sell.
Yep. And if that sell-off happens, we can hit big right here. And hold on, let me shut this schmuck up. CNBC criminals needing Bitcoin. So they're up 1.33%. My real money is up 7%. I went all in on Amazon at the last minute. I used every bit of available margin to long this bad boy. So, if you longed on BingX, so far you did good, but here's step 1. This works in 2 steps for new people. Step 1 is the earnings, which come in at 4:30. They're just coming in. That makes the price go up. Okay? Now, it's not up a lot. What they need to count on now is the conference call. This is what we call the BS story. All right? They got to tell a good story. Apple should tell a good story. Part of the story has to be words like AI. That's how I research. You know who's got the biggest in AI. It's like who's swinging the biggest AI is going to be Google. And when they tell their story, it's going to be epic. Tomorrow morning, I'd make sure you subscribe to this channel because I will show you my all-in Google trade. But this is what you catch by subscribing to my channel. This is what you catch by being in my Discord. This is epic. So look, I'm real comfortable with Google. I know, look, and they're up $9. I should show you. I bought all the Google I could at 20x and 10x, all the leverage they're giving. All in. Tomorrow morning, make sure you tune in for the live. I'm going to do it when the market opens. Boom! I'm going to nail it again. This alone is worth the price of getting into my Discord. Let's have a heart-to-heart. As a former options trader who literally lived on Wall Street, how this works. Okay. Every quarter, every company has to report more and more earnings. Now, I'm going to show you my Amazon. Why did I go all in on Amazon? And with leverage, make 100, 200 gains the moment the market opens tomorrow. We know now. Okay, so here's how it goes. There's 2 parts to this. One is they have to do the numbers at 4:30. If the numbers are good, it goes up. This line going up is very important. Then they begin the conference call. The conference call is what they expect in the future. It's called an outlook. They have to tell the truth, okay? If the outlook is bad, this gray line starts to go down. Let's refresh. If the outlook is good, and they use a lot of words like AI and future growth and new things, which is Amazon's all about that. Watch, let's refresh. They're probably starting a conference call now, just beginning it. So let's look over it. So we're up. I'm up $9 a share, which is huge. If you were a day trader and you woke up and got 7%, you'd be happy. I'm looking for 300% tomorrow. That's why we leverage on BingX. Now let's take a look. All right. Apple is only up $1. 0.66% if you want to collect percentages. Oh my God, they tanked in the aftermarket. Oh my God. Oh, this is breaking major news. Amazon is doing great. They're up 9%. And could this be a lucky shot that when this opens tomorrow, just like this morning, we had $400 that turned into 13. It was 334%. I showed it to you live. I'm going to show you tomorrow. If this tanks, if these idiots sold less phones, look at that. That line should not go down. They're losing. I can't believe it. I can't believe I shorted them, even with that small amount of money. Oh my God, I could dance with midgets. This is so exciting. Wow, people, this is amazing. Call me the Oracle. Call me genius. Don't even call me. Look at it tank. Okay? Look at that. Straight down. They must have said something bad. All I could tell you is that if it keeps going down, that's great. All right? It might be up by the morning, but a 50x, okay? Shit. Are you kidding me? The minute that opens, even if it's $1, I hope it's terrible. I can't wait to hear CNBC. I searched. There's nothing yet. Can you believe this? In the after hours, tell me if you're not shocked. Look at Apple go down to 189. Look at that straight line. And the unbelievable Oracle takes a shot. He takes the shot at 50x. Yeah. Oh, this is going to be a bone crusher. The Oracle. The Oracle.
Need a bigger boat.
Yeah, baby. I'm going to need a bigger boat. Nobody knows. There's no news. There's nothing. Oh, what is this? What is this? You don't even have sound.
If you invested...
What's wrong with you, retard? I could have showed you that. I just can't show in the after hour. This is from when? 4 hours ago. This is from before they expected a beat. This guy don't know. He's a moron. Have you seen this shit? Check this out.
And you can kind of see the countdown.
Come here. Let me slap that right off your head. That hat. There I am an hour ago. I only got 38 views because nobody gives a crap about what I have to say. I cannot find any Apple earnings. Hold on. Earnings. What do you want to call it? August 2023. They must have said some bad stuff like they're not selling any phones 6 hours ago, 7 hours ago. Let's see. You want to hear what Chang had to say? Did he tell us to buy it or not? Let's see.
The market cap has been over $3 trillion since June, but it's about to post results for what is typically its slowest 3 months of the year. The street expecting a little under $82 billion in revenue for the quarter, a 2.3% year-over-year decline. Is it just a fluke, or will top-line growth remain challenging? Joining me now to discuss is Martin Yang, who covers tech at Oppenheimer and has an outperform on the stock, and our very own Steve Kovac. Welcome to you both. Steve, you're there. Got to be there to get the results. And I guess my question would be
God, yes.
a little bit about this
$3.
$3. Give us what
you have no idea how big this is.
Yeah, sure, Kelly. So this is going to be most likely the third quarter in a row, as Apple's guided and estimates are out there saying, of revenue declines. And that's just because of a lot of macro headwinds Apple's been facing, like so much of the other consumer electronics companies, demand
Shut
falling.
Up. Apple blow. All right? Give me some current news. What's happening? All right? Everybody tell me in the comments. Find out. How did they miss? They're not selling any phones? Nobody knows. This guy, I can't even tell if his eyes are open or not. This guy is 2 pounds of bologna in a 1 pound bag. 7 hours. Anybody can say before. Let's see what you said. Let's see what you said for the people who do.
Apple,
criminals
the big
needing
one, set to
Bitcoin.
report quarterly results after market close today. We call that overtime.
Yeah.
Our next guest recently downgraded that stock to neutral from a... The question is this as good as it gets for Apple right here? I mean...
You bring up a really good point. If you look at the sell-through...
If you look at when they used to make... Let me let them talk. When they used to make Twinkies, right? Twinkies were really popular. I'd go to sleep at night with 6 or 7 Twinkies. My mom would get upset at me, right, and say one day I would get heavy. And I didn't care because I love Twinkies. And, you know, I became a collector of Twinkies, and I don't know how I got on CNBC, actually. I know a guy that I went to college with, right? And he got me this job, okay, working, and they wanted me to be an expert, okay, on what? Apples. I never really eat apples. I don't know a lot about apples, but I'm thinking that
yesterday, if that premium luxury consumer continues.
But he was thinking apple pies.
This guy was thinking
pie.
Okay? Yeah, you know, it's interesting because if you look at China, that market.
The Chinese don't eat pies, bro.
21,
and
post
the
launch of the iPhone 12, which, reminder, was their first 5G-enabled phone. China's been weak for some time.
Versus maybe how they were designed before.
Yeah, and I think it's going to be interesting because you're starting to see that already with the new product categories.
New product category. Something went wrong. Tell me what went
actually
wrong.
Works well.
My phone does that too.
Vision Pro going forward.
People are not buying new phones. That's what's happening. Okay? That's what's happening. They better get into the metaverse. All right? And they better call it something else. They better say AI. They didn't say AI enough. One more refresh. I'm not going to be able to sleep tonight. Fucking $4. Oh my God, times 50x. Do you realize even what a small amount of money could do? I did $334 last night on a crap stock. Okay? What was it, AMD or whatever? I didn't have this kind of fall. Oh my God. Everybody rejoice. Tell me in the comments on the video, did you do it with me? Did you do it with me? Can you feel me? Can you feel it? Okay, because this is going to be another big one. You know why? I went all in, right up to the balls of my margin. I'll make another video for that. I can't believe, like Houdini, the great fucking Kreskin. I'm going to go now and try to bend spoons with my fucking mind. Because there's nobody that could have seen this coming, baby. Look at that. Woo! Holy shit. That's going to be like the lottery tomorrow, even with just $500. I'll make a little guy video. We should be dancing in the streets. Who the fuck would ever short Apple?